Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Passion and Lifestyle. Today I am going to share a recipe that is creamy spicy garlic chicken, and let's get started. Let's see what are the ingredients we need. Making this recipe of spicy creamy garlic chicken, we first need chicken, and then we need some chilies, green and red both, coconut milk, salt, pepper and an onion. So first of all I am going to chop the onions, and then we need to chop the green chilies, and the main ingredient here is the garlic, lots of garlic. We're going to crush the garlic a little bit and then chop it and make the recipe. So let's get started. So the main ingredient of the recipe is the cream, because it's a spicy garlic creamy chicken. I'm using the Mother Dairy cream here. You can readily get this available. It is readily available in the market. You can get this anytime from the market. So Mother Dairy cream. Friends, for making the creamy garlic spicy chicken, here I have taken chicken half kg, and we are marinating the chicken with salt and a half teaspoon of pepper. So I'll just keep the chicken marinated for 15 to 20 minutes. Here I have arranged all the ingredients. So I have finely chopped the chilies, and this is some longer size chilies so that the gravy will look good. Here finely chopped garlic, and here crushed garlic. Then here is a little bit size chopped onion, so that when it comes to your mouth, when you are eating it, it will give you the crunch. And this is a finely chopped onions. So first of all I am going to heat the pan, and then add the oil, and need to heat the oil. Then we'll give this crushed ginger, this finely chopped ginger, and this onion, and this chili. Then we'll add after some time we'll add this longer size onions and this longer size chilies. Okay, so let's get started. So hi, here I have given little bit of vegetable oil for the recipe in our heavy bottom pan, or karai, we call it Indian kitchen. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to saute the garlic. First just chopped one, then I'll put the chopped one. So now the garlic is little bit brown. You can see the changing of color. Now I am giving the onion. The chopped onions, finely chopped ones, and the chopped chilies. And we are going to saute this for some time. Here I am getting a very nice smell of garlic. So I usually like lots of garlic in my food, because I really like the flavor of garlic, and also sometimes this fried onion. And now I am just putting this slightly big cut onions. Do this. let this onion fry a little bit, not like very brown, just little bit of softer in texture. So just wait for maybe 2-3 minutes, and I think I got the consistency of onions which I'm looking for. Now I'll pour the chicken inside it. As you know, the chicken is already marinated with pepper and salt. So now just little bit toss the chicken with this onion, garlic and chilies. Just mix it really good. And now I am adding these chilies also. And now what I will do, I will just cover it and let it cook for maybe around 15 to 20 minutes, so that the chicken will become soft. Okay, so just wait for 15 to 20 minutes. So now the chicken is almost done. It is soft and well cooked. Okay, so now we are going to add the coconut milk. We do this. And now cook the chicken for at least around 5 minutes, and after that our chicken will be ready. And so let us wait for around 5 minutes, and then we'll add our cream, and just our chicken will be then ready. Okay, so friends, here my chicken is totally ready. Now I'll add some fresh cream into the recipe. And mix it a bit. So our creamy garlic spicy chicken is now ready. It's ready to be served. Let us do the plating. Friends, this is our final dish, the spicy creamy garlic chicken. So you can have it with paratha, roti and rice, whatever you want. And I hope you enjoy the recipe. Keep liking my page, subscribe to my page, subscribe to my channel. Keep loving me. Kindly share your observations and feedback. Please subscribe. Keep liking me. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye.